Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Gab Official. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your pollen filter on this Range Rover Evoque. So as you can see, it's located down here underneath the glove box, our pollen filter. So what I need to do is take this trim off, and we just got to pull this away. Sort of curved it out of the way. As you can see, that's our pollen filter out there. So these tabs, you got to pull them towards you like so. And just unhook them. And that's sort of pollen filter right there. So just pull it out like that. So this is our new one. So literally we're gonna need to get it up there. Gonna have to start it up like so. We're going to need to move this out of the way a bit. So as you can see, I've literally moved this cover out of the way. Now get this basically up there. Once you get it up there, just slide it in. Right, so I need both hands to put it. So as you can see, once it's in, just push. Feed it in there. Thank you, and thank you for choosing Gab Official. Please like, share, and subscribe for further content on my channel. Stay blessed, keep on rolling. Boom.